We as individuals are thankful to all humankind discovery. We want to admire all who know of ARPA, DARPA, and Tim Berners-Lee. We are standing on the shoulders of giants. We are about knowing the universe's expansions. Conversations about the largest macrocosm in cosmology. Matter deficiency is efficiently low and dark matter is accelerating. We who have learned to speak within to those who are consciousness. Vacuum energy, elevated energy will never go away with time. Predicting. Measuring. Density. Numbers. Measured numbers to the arbitrary decimal places, and at 13 position the ground state energy may be a field or new energy. The energy that fills space, but it changes in future times and places in spaces. Inflation may have been spinning in one way when another was spinning another way, and the brin in between was a transition. A deceleration that lasted about 8 billion years, or fields of the gaps. Dark energy has a cause, and there may be a supernatural nature that the scientists cannot measure. Multiverse energy fields may reasonably be convinced there is fields of quintessence. Some bubbles on the outside as metaverses, as in length times width or bulk of bubbles. Dark energy and dark matter. Causes for matter to be bound and forces for EPI cycles. Everything goes around the Earth, and backwards motions of the Earth and epicycles went around Earth. In the dark matter, and the opposite is backwards or retrograde motions. Epicycle and epicycles, and arbitrary analysis and periodic function with a sine or cosines and other data. Earth is going around the Sun. Earth, energy, matter, dark energy, and all we cannot perceive and believe can we achieve or adhere to. Can we take a leap into the future of the model that our own universe is the center of all Russian doll universes? Observational evidence is empirical. The Sun is far away, and as the source of our energy is light. What is beyond the observed positions of what we can see only with the observable light years? Philosophical predispositions and future outliers must be proven to be seen, which is infinity squared. Education is on the brink of splintering in our cyberspace observation. Observation and hypothesis. We must know that everything cannot be observed outside the coupling of the speed of light. So what does infinity squared observation show humankind? We now know that many of our planets and people will allow us to speak in terms which in the past in ontology, namely metaphysics, has to be revisited. The big phases of the data is working with the universe and the 7 eves, as in days, and in thought experiments with the 7 colors of the rainbow, of which we can see with our naked eyes. History of our Roman Catholic Church gave Galileo time to publish his results while he was under house arrest. Sir Isaac Newton used Galileo's equations. Expanding universes are inside among solar systems, which are new universes. Civilization changing asteroids could be a fear that is realized. Engineers are to learn how to deflect in space. We need more information of the Kuiper belt and icy dirt balls. Scattered disk surrounding the disk. The Oort cloud is about a light year from the Sun and has comet-like objects. We have to know trajectories, and outgassing from the comets can change the trajectory. We cannot plan enough as we learn about more of what exists in the cosmos. Collisions from not of Earth origin profectals is a real possibility. When we can launch our space protection future together, we will become a higher level of consciousness. 5 billion years the Sun will make atmospheric changes, and the oceans will evaporate away. Plants will not like the lowering of the whole of the entire package of the large macrocosm, and so this is enclosed inside the celestial causes of the various universes. It is conceivable that the machine learning will end with energy, which lessens in all universes while we learn of threats of the cosmos. We definitely learn to move our consciousness. Can we really only share philosophy and ontology? As an objective scientist, one has to have an open mind to understand the future of quantum-based physics. We all are aware of the expansion. 5 billion years may have shown us light and expansion of thoughts.